Welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and today I want to share with you actual 360 clips from the Insta360 X3. So look around with your phone or your mouse and enjoy the sights of Las Vegas. And all the music you're listening to on this video is from Artlist, hands down the best royalty-free music for your projects. And I'll tell you a little bit more about that later on in the video.
She Gucci girl got the bed. Man lips, no back, flawless tan. She got that Betty look again. One glance, I'm heels over head. Give it to me. You got that shaka like a heart attacker. A baby girl just to the night. I like your taste, you sweet rosé. Tell me, baby, do you have the time? Shaka like a heart attacker. Let's leave your fans behind. There's only one way to describe a girl just like you tonight. You are one of a kind. You're so groovy, catching all those eyes. We gon' shop a little closer now. Cha-cha with me, I'll show you how you would do that. Say I'ma make you mine. What's on your mind, baby? You got me. We gon' touch the sky, girl. We gon' fly, expect your perfect movie scene. Don't you agree? Oh, you belong with me. But don't you shove a little closer now? Cha-cha with me, I'll show you how you would do it. One of a kind. You're so groovy, catching all those eyes. We gon' shove a little closer now. Cha-cha with me, I'll show you how you would do that. Say I'ma make you mine. I wanna take you out of your head right now. Let it go. We can roll it up when the sun goes down. Take it slow. Give it time, it'll pull us under. Throwing shots like she in a jumper. Make me sweat, she the heat of summer. I just can't cool down. I can make time, call me obsessed. Stuck in your gravity. Body so hot, gotta confess. I'm loving this energy. And honestly, like you can't believe you finally get this all the time. I'm loving this energy. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Need a moment, gotta catch my breath. I've been running, trying to match your step. Burning up, now I feel the fever. Ma said that she a keeper. Triple threat in a double feature. She gon' break your neck. I can make time, call me obsessed. Stuck in your gravity. Body so hot, gotta confess. I'm loving this energy. And honestly, like you can't believe you finally get this all the time. I'm loving this energy. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Pretty face and she gets good grades. Out of college just trying to get paid. Bags packed, get you moving out of state. Nothing in the way, nothing in the way. Give it time, she gon' pull me under. Set off in the heat of thunder. Always making everybody wonder what she gon' do next. I can make time, call me obsessed. Stuck in your gravity. Body so hot, gotta confess. I'm loving this energy. And honestly, like you can't believe you finally get this all the time. I'm loving this
can make or break your video project. Believe me, I know I have spent hours upon hours searching for that perfect song only to just get that dreaded copyright strike. But then I signed up for Artlist, and over the past year, it's been a breeze. Now this might sound like an ad, but this is exactly what I'd be saying to my friends or family if they're looking for some good music for their videos. Just get on their website, browse through the library, maybe type in some keywords, search by mood or genre, and you can easily find that great song that will stay royalty-free on your video. Now there are a lot of other music companies to choose from, but I find that Artlist has some of the highest quality of songs that should be on the radio. Now if you are someone looking for that music and considering it, please do me a favor and click the link in the description or the pinned comment just to let them know that I sent you. And if you sign up for a full year subscription, you get 2 extra months for free. I love it and highly recommend it, and just go click the link right now and listen to some of the songs. Well, maybe not right now, let's finish the video first.
Step into the weekend. I'm stuck inside the sequence. It's like keeping it a secret. It's all I do. Yeah, yeah. It's okay. It's alright. That's what I tell myself. I tell myself it's okay. It's alright. Do with it what you will. Tell me how you really feel. Dancing in the dark. Can you see what's come between us? Dancing in the dark. I want that real love. Want that real love. Pinch me if I'm dreaming. Wake me up inside this feeling. We're so in and out of season. But what can I do? It's okay. It's alright. That's what I tell myself. I tell myself it's okay. It's alright. Do with it what you will. Tell me how you really feel. Dancing in the dark. Can you see what's come between us? Dancing in the dark. I want that real love. Want that real love. Step into the weekend. I'm stuck inside the sequence. Dancing in the dark. Can you see what's come between us? I want that real love.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.
Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to the channel for more, and I'll see you next time.